Ryan back here with another Vechain update. Alright, we also got a pretty interesting price prediction, and this price prediction comes from a reliable source. It's actually for the next bull run, what they're predicting. Okay, last bull run in here, I know a lot of us, including me, we were all hoping that mighty dollar was coming in. Okay, we ended up tapping out up here at almost 28 cents. Okay, this thing came in, and I remember specifically this thing rose super fast. Like in a week it went up 80%. So it was pretty crazy time. Everybody was hoping for that dollar to come in. I held, quite honestly, I held the whole way down here. I got out on the rebound here, but I was hoping for that buck for sure. As soon as I seen that lower high come in here, and we got this one higher high, I got out of there. But I'm back in, got back in at the bottom, somewhere down through here, and I'm hoping, obviously, like everybody, the next bull run here. But this prediction's pretty awesome. First off, let's take a look at this chart real quick, right? Let's get into this thing. Zoom in here on the 12-hour. You can see we had this breakout on Vechain. Alright, we came up here. This thing now is back testing for support. This is on the 12-hour. Now if we look at the RSIs, you can see that daily right here in the stochastic is still correcting. Okay, if we go into the smaller time frames, the 8-hour is almost fully corrected. The 4-hour is corrected. It's down at the bottom and ready to go. And also the 1-hour is corrected. It is turning up and bullish. Alright, so I'm expecting this thing to bounce from here. Alright, we didn't quite get a full pullback to the 618. If we zoom in here, okay, we put this on here. If we get in here tighter, I took a measurement here. In fact, let's put the regular candles on here real quick. There we go. Now I can get the you can see right here we did not get almost, but to get to the 618, this thing would have had to pull back a little bit further. So it got it went around a 50% pullback. So that's showing strength here, unless this thing does pull down to the 0.0194. If it bounces right from here where it's at, which it looks like it's going to, okay, especially with these 8-hour RSIs, with that almost correct, the 4 and the 1 are correct. Okay, now that the weekly, look at that thing. Alright, so we got this weekly, obviously Vechain, this thing is in for a big move. Okay, I don't believe we're heading quite for that big bull run dollar yet, but I believe we're coming in for definitely for a retrace here from the last bull run. Okay, any type of retrace will get us, let's see what kind of price would get us to in if Bitcoin goes back up to 48 here. If you're looking for a retrace, this thing would come up to 14.6 and 17 cents roughly, unless Bitcoin takes off for an all-time high again. Okay, and we're entering a bull run. Me personally, I believe this is a retrace for Bitcoin, just like it did back in 2017 and 2019. You can see right here, I apologize if you hear the neighbor's dog in the background. They must have just let him out, so I'll have to deal with that a second. But you can see back here in 2019 when Bitcoin did this retrace. Okay, it had the bull run. Back here, topped out December 2017. Took till 2019 for this retrace to come in. Okay, it came in June and July of 2019. Got up to that 702 here, and then fell down. This thing actually crashed. Let's see how much it pulled back. Alright, because after it topped out, it ended up dropping down here 53%. Alright, and then during COVID, it went down to 70%. So I went over this the other day in one of my videos, my COSPA video. And so if Bitcoin does that retrace here, okay, from the 2021 bull run, you're looking at, right here, if we pull this down, up to the 702 is 48,000 bucks. Okay, if it goes up there and then rolls over from there, Okay, then we're looking, I apologize, there we go. If this thing comes up like this, hits that 702 and pulls back down, okay, expect it to flatten out. We have the Bitcoin halving next spring, all right, in 2025, and then next fall I would really expect this thing to really start ripping. I was here during the last bull run. After the Bitcoin halving, this is all happening just like it did back here. Okay, now if it follows that path, it's going to do exactly the same thing. All right. If it don't, then Bitcoin's heading for an all-time high from here. We'll just have to wait, see what happens. That $31,500, I believe that's the magic level for Bitcoin. If it can break that, okay, then this thing's ready to go. Alright, so it looks like Bitcoin's going to make a move here sometime. We got the RSIs on this thing. You got the 4-hour almost reset on it. You can see we got a green candle there. The 8-hour is coming. It's actually coming down. The 12-hour is at the bottom. Alright, now daily is coming down. Alright, but look at this weekly for Bitcoin. Look at that weekly RSI. And then you got the monthly coming up also. So you got both of them. The weekly and the monthly are both bullish and heading up for this thing. So I expect it to make a move here soon. This thing has been very volatile the last few days. We've had some volume coming in. Of course, it has decreasing volume right here, which you don't want to see. Okay, you want to see that thing obviously increasing volume like that. Okay, alright, so we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin. Let's get to that price prediction, guys. First thing I want to tell you, I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video. MEXC, they ended up contacting me, ended up doing a partnership with them. It's actually a very cool site, and I signed up on their site and went. They have some pretty cool stuff. MEXC copy trade. You could copy traders that have big time success here, where you can go in here and look at their traders. This guy, 7-day win rate 100%, their total profit and loss, top traders. You can go through them, you can follow them, and then when they place a trade, it places a trade automatically for you. You can see their win rates, their profits. You can go, it's pretty neat actually. And they have to sign up for this, and they have to be profitable traders. But you can go to the next page. You can go all through these guys and check them out. I think it's pretty cool. Win rate 100%, $34,000. So if you want to sign up, I would very much appreciate it through the channel. Obviously, I get a little something for that. I'm not monetized or anything. I'm not looking to make a killing off of the YouTube, but I would appreciate it if you went through the channel and signed up. That'd be great. Just be careful if you get on there. If you mess with leverage, just please do your research and stuff. I don't want to see anybody, lose any money, of course. But MEXC, great company, very, very good company. They're worldwide. They're huge. So they have competitions. They have up to $1,000 sign-on bonuses you can get. So, all right, guys, let's move on with Vechain here. All right, okay, VET. Now, this price prediction they're obviously given for the next bull run. Okay, Vechain, they go through what is Vechain. We all know what that is. If you're in with Vechain, you followed their, partnerships and everything else. They're getting huge. They really are. They're getting massive. Okay, good selected customers and partners. Look at some of these. It's unbelievable. BMW, I know I thought they were doing stuff with Nike also, but so it's awesome, the partnerships they're getting. They're just a massive company. Then they go through the price history, looking back at 2018, 2019, 2021. All right, 0.0002 cents on Black Thursday in March of 2020. Wasn't long after that I got in, and I think I got 100,000 Vechain. And then the thing with price today is at 12 cents per bet. But the price tomorrow could change abruptly. This was written on June 30th, 2023 by Prime XBT. Alright, so Vechain price predictions and expert forecasts. Now, Wallet Investor has a 5-year forecast for Vechain that reaches 70 cents per coin. That's without the bull run. All right, the bull run price is down here. All right, we're going to go through this. They get really in depth here. Technical analysis 2023. Now they're expecting the bull run to start at the end of next year into 2025. That's what I'm thinking also. Here we go. When the bear phase begins to fade and support is proven too solid to break lower, the market will naturally move upward again into a new bull cycle. At that point, there will be price discovery that's too challenging to predict. However, a few dollars per Vechain coin isn't unrealistic based on this cyclical pattern. All right, they've put the forecast on here for Vechain. What is the future of that? Vechain's future is blurry compared to the crystal clear potential of top crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. It has astronomical disruptive potential as an enterprise solution for business processes and supply chains, but investing in it can be risky due to the fact that no business may ever adopt the technology. That's not true at all. It would involve retrofitting all systems with RFID tags supplied by Vechain, a significant investment in the Vechain tech and development, and utilizing the blockchain platform for all aspects of a business. This is a major risk for large companies with many moving parts, and although Vechain is designed to connect and sync these systems, the cost of labor, time, and effort could be too expensive to consider the long-term saving thanks to increased efficiency. If the altcoin fails as a project, then its price could crash to zero. If it is successful, however, the sky could be the limit. This makes Vechain more of an all-or-nothing play and not this type of safe investment in a proven crypto asset that most would recommend. Year 2021, potential high 90 cents, potential low 3 cents. 2022 to 2023, potential high 28 cents, potential low 10. Now we get into the bull cycle. 2024, 2025, $3.12 and a potential low of 24 cents. So how about that? $3. I think I'm on down here for a little bit, but frequently asked questions: should I invest in that? All this here. No, I have no doubt. A lot of my chips are on Vechain, so I have no doubt that I could see a couple bucks next bull run. Now, if we go over here and look at the Vechain market cap and everything, the circulating supply, very similar actually to XRP with circulating supply. All right, we go down here, we have an all-time high of 27 cents. Okay, so let's see here, the market cap. I know the market cap here. Let's go over here to VET, because I have the Vechain market cap on here, right here. 18 up, I'm sorry, there it is, VET market cap. Alright, so the market cap here, last bull run, this is the market cap, went up to roughly $18 billion. Alright, that was for 27 cents. So this thing would have to 18 times roughly 4 would have to go close to 68 billion dollars. Okay, 68 billion. Back here in the bull run, this was a historical snapshot. This was from April 18th 2021, and you can see VET right down here, $16 billion, 25 cents. Look at this over here in 1 week, 82%. It went up 82% in 1 week. Look at Dogecoin, 329%. This was a lot of fun during the market right here. You get down through some of these. Cardano was $1.27. XRP was $1.40. Man, I remember all this. Binance, $4.81. Look at some of these prices. That was during Filecoin, was 156 bucks. I just want to show you what this was April of 2021. Algorand was $1.45. You know, and if you look over here, in 1 week it went up, the store chain went up 50%. You know, some of these were crazy. I just want to get down through it real slow, because if you hold other coins, you're probably interested in seeing what some of these prices were. The basic attention token was $1.34. Look at year of finance, $53,000. That's crazy. Sushi was up to 14 bucks. Bitcoin Gold 94. Harmony was 12 cents. KuCoin 14 bucks. I just want to get through it real quick, guys. If you're not interested, thank you very, very much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I appreciate you watching my video. I very much do. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, so please do your own research when it comes to that stuff, and I'll talk to you very soon. I'm just going to go down through this real slow in case anybody is interested in checking these prices out from the bull run last time. Just I'll get down to the bottom here real quick. You can check them out if you would like. It's fun seeing what the coins went to before. Well, when I got into crypto, I used to do this. I used to go through the historical snapshots of 2017, because I was always looking for price predictions. Wow, handshake token, 60, whatever that is. Yep, there you go. Alright, guys, thank you very much. I hope everybody has a great night. Thank you so much for watching the video.